Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. And I'm back again with a brand new video where I will be talking about one of the latest features by Instagram, where Instagram lets you create avatar and that can be used to share through DMs on your stories and much more. So you can create a personalized avatar for your Instagram profile and you can use it in multiple ways while you are using Instagram. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Alright, to create an avatar on Instagram, first of all, you just need to open the app. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Simply tap the three lines at the top right and then go to settings. From settings, you have to go to account section where you will see the fifth option as avatar. You have to simply tap on that. And here it says that a new way to be you on Instagram. You can create a personalized avatar with unique facial features, hair, outfits and more. So you simply have to tap get started. And the first thing that you need to do is you have to select your skin tone to get started. Once you have made your selection, you can pick your eye color, hair, outfit and more. So you have to do it step by step. Alright, you can go for the skin tone that you want. There are a lot of options. Alright, then press next. Alright, the next thing that you need to do is you have to choose one hairstyle for yourself. So in the beginning, you can see this hairstyles for men, and as you scroll down you will see a lot of hairstyles and you will also see some hairstyles for women, so you can choose depending on your gender. All right, you can even give a color to your hair. So that you have to simply press this box and here you can choose the color for your hair color. All right, you can go for any color that you want. Once done with that, you can move ahead and you can select a face shape as well. So you can choose a nice shape for your face, or you can choose the one that you think resembles your face. All right, then you can choose if you have any markings on your face, if you have any freckles or anything on your face, you can even select that as well to give it a more similar look as yours. And the next thing is you can even select face lines. So if you have wrinkles on your face, you can even add some wrinkles to give it a more natural look. All right, the lighter ones maybe. All right, moving on, the next thing you can select is to pick an eye shape for your eyes. So you can go for the ones that you like. You can try different eye shapes as well. Then you can even choose an eye color for your eyes. All right, whichever you want to try. As a girl, you will also get the option for eye makeup, I guess. So you can even add some lashes, some liner and so on. You can give it a more nice look. And then you can even pick an eyebrow shape for your eyebrows. And you can even color them if you want. Your eyebrows, you can give them any nice color that you want, matching to your hair color. And the next thing you can do is, if you want to add any traditional thing to your face, you can even do that. All right, so that depends on you. And then there is eyewear. So if you do wear specs, or if you do want to give a nice look by wearing any eyewear, so you can even choose that for your face. There are even options to choose the eyewear color. All right, so you can see a lot of color options are there for your eyewear. So if you are picking one, you can even customize the color as per your choice. And then you can pick nose for your face, the nose shape. All right, nose piercings if you have any. So there is a lot that you can do while creating your avatar on Instagram. You can select the lips shape, add on a lipstick if you want a lip color, and if you have facial hair, so you can even add that as well. I don't think so this will go with my face, but if you want you can even add facial hair. Alright, there are a lot of options to styles to choose from. You can go for the one that you want to try, right, like this. And then you can pick one color for your facial hair. So I haven't selected any facial hair, that's why I'm not getting the color options. And here comes the option to pick the body shape, you can say, for your avatar. All right, you can select it depending on your body shape if you want. And then you can pick an outfit for your avatar, so you can keep on changing these outfits as well from time to time. So that is the best part of this avatar, that you can play with it, you can experiment with outfits and a lot more. All right, so you can pick any vibrant outfit that you want to go for today. Add any headwear if you want. There are a lot of options. There are some traditional options as well. The headwear color if you want, so I haven't picked any headwear for my avatar. Then you can add on ear piercings if you have or if you like. And the next thing is you can add any hearing devices, so they are making it more personalized so that you can feel it like your own, and that's why they are doing this. So for your hearing device also you can choose a color, so I haven't selected any. Once you're done doing all the things, doing all the changes, press done. And here you will get the option to save changes. Any edits that you made to your avatar will be saved, or you can keep on editing. If you want to make a few more changes, you can do that, or simply tap save changes. So yeah, you can see your avatar is being updated. Show off your avatar's new look with profile updates and personalized stickers across Facebook, Messenger and Instagram. So this avatar can also be used on Facebook as well as your Messenger app. All right, once you're done with updating your avatar, you simply have to tap next, and that's all you need to do. Now you can react to people's stories using this avatar icon. So that was about how you can create avatars on Instagram, and you can use them in your stories to react on other stories, and you can even share them through DMs. So that there is a lot that you can do by creating a personalized avatar on Instagram. So that was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. If you have any doubts, issues, queries or feedback related to any of my videos, do let me know in the comment section down below. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.